Hey, we rinky dink too. Hey, one-eyed, okay. Well, you're not thinking. You're doing big things up here, Seattle. Big things. 7-9, Webcam, one-eyed Jack. All right. Hey, have a good one. Mad Chicken said it here in Seattle, Washington. We're on the side.
Hey, good afternoon to you, Mad Chicken. 1378 out here in Oklahoma City, break.
Seattle, Washington, Falcon 181 in the mini-grass. Seattle, Washington, 181.
181, Falcon, we heard you in there. And I got 213 something, I missed you with the good audio. But yeah, Falcon, we heard you in there too. Mad Chicken, hollering back.
Well, let me get on frequency there. Good afternoon to you, Mad Chicken. Sounding good out here in Oklahoma City right now. Mr. Mad Chicken, 1378 on this broken down transmitter, break.
1378, yeah, you bumped it on frequency, and that's all I heard, man, was you, 1378. Yeah, there you go with that good sounding audio, with that full sounding audio. Sounds good on this hi-fi station here, too. Picking up all that extra bass.
Hey, Roger on that, Mad Chicken. Oh, we're just sitting here running a video gate, trying to get all the bugs worked out of it, and so we can get these things working again. So you get to be my guinea pig, Mr. Mad Chicken, 1378. Back to you, sir.
Well, I'll transform myself from a chicken into a guinea pig. I'll try. Maybe I can go hop on a microwave, and that might do it.
Well, I was thinking you can morph into one. What do you think?
Oh, I like the microwave oven idea.
Dear Roger on that. Well, if you get a chance, jump over there to YouTube and look up 1378 Oklahoma, all one word, and you'll see this video gate on there, and you get a chance to see what your audio sounds like out this way there, Roger.
Okay, I'll give it a try there, 1378. Hop on YouTube. What was the search again? 1378. What was the other word?
Oklahoma. 1378 Oklahoma, all one word.
Okay, got it. 1378 Oklahoma. Right on, right on. Well, hey, have a good one, man. I'll hop on the side here for a minute and see what else is happening.
Okay, Mad Chicken. Plus, if you get on Facebook, you can look up 26950 Beers, and it'll be linked to there also. That's what I kind of created that page so everybody could jump on it when the skip's not rolling and do a little bit of chit-chatting. Anyway, you definitely have a good one up there in Seattle. And we'll put it another way another day. 1378 on this old 1955 Johnson Ranger and this Prime Minister 6-element beam. I'm back white. I'll see you.
That's the 181 with the wave. Dr. Pepper.
Okay, I kind of lost you in there with the others, but yeah, hey, have a good one too, man. Take care. Mad Chicken said it. Seattle, we're on the side.